Most venomous snake in Hawaii. I think that one's a fun one, to be honest. Hawaii is just a fun state. There's 2 venomous snakes in Hawaii, I think. I don't know. I'm seeing 1 to 2, but I'm not sure. It doesn't seem there's really any native ones, but don't trust me on this one. And the only type I can see for sure is a yellow-bellied sea snake, which is completely a fully marine snake. Always in the ocean almost, unless it's washed ashore by a storm. And it just lives in the open ocean, and it rides currents to get to where it wants. Not where it wants, I guess wherever the currents take it. It's quite a way to live. Just go where the sea takes you.